Hi friends, today we are starting off with a fun breakfast treat. I have the sweet Hawaiian rolls here. We're going to be using 2 packets. Let's get these bad boys opened. There we go. And then we will just roll them out here. And we'll take each one and just nicely roll it up. Now we're going to put these in a 10 by 14 pan. We're going to take a little heavy whipping cream here, just pour a little bit on top. And so it covers the bottom as well. Then I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips. We'll just sprinkle these on top. You can do as little or as much as you want. This is looking so good. Now I have a half a stick of melted butter. We'll do a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And we will do 1 box of chocolate jello. And then we will add in some coffee that I let cool. And we'll just mix this all together. And then we will just pour our chocolatey coffee mixture right on top. Getting all the pieces drenched with this yummy goodness. Now we are going to cover it with some tin foil and we will bake it at 350 for 45 minutes. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Okay, this just came out of the oven. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, this looks perfect. Let's turn this camera around and try it together. Okay, we got coffee. We got chocolate pudding on some Hawiian Crescent Rolls. Oh yeah, they just came out of the oven. Look at that, they smell amazing. I'm gonna get a little bit of the extra sauce here. There's chocolate chips. I thought I'd bust out some whipped cream. Oh yeah, we're really doing it up today. Look at that. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are perfect like Saturday or Sunday morning treat. It's like desserty but breakfast. Yep. I love Hawaiian rolls, you know? These are perfect.